I just got back this weekend from delivering a tech session for the Central Oklahoma MBCA in Oklahoma City, and so we just wanted to say thank you so much for bringing us out there and for hosting us, and for all the people that showed up and brought their Mercedes. Tech sessions are a really fun and exciting way to learn about these cars, and if you're a member of the MBCA and would like for your section to host us for a tech session, please send me an email. And we'll be happy to come out, and usually we cover half of the expenses when it comes to traveling, hotels, and rental car. So please let us know if you would like for us to come out for a tech session. In the meantime, thank you so much again, Central Oklahoma section.